when we got close to it, it was blind.
Foes.
Look at this. It's incredible.
It is absolutely. There it goes.
Look at that.
And that was probably the first huge headline-making coverage of a strange object.
The script has flipped, and people are now taking this seriously and eliminating the unnecessary ridicule that has stigmatized the UFO.
Thil dang dai le mak tak tak kan sai fo to thin nima sela UFO unidentified flying object aping atang ringot poa makngal mai hi chu soi mai thei chi ani lo thil thleng mak thil nung mak te le adang dang soi fia hlei thei lo te hi chu mun tin deuh thowa kan ria in kan mu thina ma se UFO kher hi chu soi tur kan nei tam lovin mi te lom hlo tak mai ani a chu ti rual chuan heng khleng khlok tei te hi chu mun tina ani lar ve kher lo chu wangin tun tuma po hian thil wang le mak UFO an hmu chan chin kan ron chhop chua sak don chen ani somna restless ham forest incident Restless Ham Forest Incident hi kumsang kha zakwa somria December thatop lama Suffolk inlena thil thleng ani kumsang kha zakwa somria December ni somni le paruk zingdar thum war trian ong vela khanin US Air Force servicemen te chuanin eng makdang lam tak mai van atanga leilam pana lo chuklai an hmu thu an soya an soi le zel tanin he eng lo chuk hi lei alo thlen hnu in an han en chian nak chuan thir hmanga siam metallic object eng thatak hi alo ne reng mai.
It is a landed structured craft of some sort, triangular in shape, and it appears to have come down in a small
ti chuan chu thil eng mak tak mai han en fia tur chuan chu mi te chuan khua an han hngak war le taria atu khua alo wara jinglam kho thimlaya an thil hmu na mun an han en chian nak chuan an thil hmu mak tak mai kha lo om to lo ma se akiang vela thing tang te chu alo tliak fer ful hloma leya te po chuan atum na tha ang tak mai hmu bokin chulai hun vel chu alo bel han mai ani ti chuan he thil mitam hutu te hianin thil om dan chu an ho tu te chu hrilin investigation an kalpui takala chu an investigation mai atanga reilo te an chuan em an hule ta
were taken so seriously that they were fully investigated by the American military. But the commander there found nothing, and so the Rendlesham Forest incident became the UK's most tantalising UFO mystery.
If you think about it, does the government know what's going on? I mean, are they able to deal with this? What president or prime minister would want to risk their reputation by standing up and saying, yes, we have had contact?
Pakwana dateran UFO incident. September ni som pakwa kum sangkha zakwa som sari le paruka khan Iranian Air Force a thok jet pilot pahnih te chuanin van bawruaka eng maktak an hmu thu an soya.
An enormous UFO was tracked across Iran by the Imperial Air Force.
Jet khaltu pakhat jok chuanin chu thil eng an hmu atang chuanin a thlo na khol a chian lo thu le a radio a function lo thu soin heti lai hian a thian pa po chuan eng hmanga kha ani thu alo soi ve bok tin he thil mitam hutu pilot pakhat chuan vanlam thil ti ani arin thu le khati hun laya an thiam na khan khatiang thil kha ati theilo thu asoi
high rate of crime and high rate of extradition that we saw from the UFO was something which was not existed those days.
I don't have any doubt about UFO. UFO exist and they're trying to find some way to get contact with all of them. That is my feeling and I am positive.
Pariatna, the Battle of Los Angeles. UFO logia thalak lar tak pakhat chu chipchiar taka soile chukuron shrep ani a chu thalak chu USA a Los Angeles hun pakhat chung van thim taka eng te sep thalak ani
100,000 people witnessed something in the skies over Los Angeles.
United States Indo pui pati na anin ta lu ve atanga tharei vak lova February ni somni panga kumsang khazakwa somli le patnia khan Los Angeles mi pui mi noi khat velin an khopui chunga eng soi fe hlei theilo chu an clear thapa heti hun lai hi jing dam ni le achan ve ve khothim wang lai tak ani.
The shooting lasted for about half an hour, killed a couple of people, but the big thing is they didn't knock a piece off of whatever it was that was up.
He until mu hi achiang hle aniang khati hun laya US sipai te po khanin kha eng van boruwa ga lo omringot kha na satakin an lo beilet ve a machine gun caliber songa le anti-aircraft sang khazali ngot mai pangin an lo in veng ve ani. Hetia sipai hovina he eng an bei chung hi darkar chan ve ve zet ani a ma se maktak main US Army te phan ruan chuan eng thil danglam ma athen tatlat lo ni in alang. Achan chu until Bayber, chu eng van boruwa ka thok renga chu eng tin ma a omlo baga mi pui lam te po chu eng chuan aron beilet ve mi lova ramdang thil ti ni in alang talo ti chuan chulai mi te chuan in chu thil chu melma te pan ruwa ni lovin he khovela mi ni velo mundang atanga local an ma ni tlo tu nia an ngai ta ani pasarina wine jar of the gods UFO hanti mai hi chuan thiamna sang tak manga thuam ani ngei arin oma chu lova tunlai thiamna ril zong technology lam akok te urui mai bok nimasela BC somsari le pangana dai to akhan sipai patni te chuanin he UFO hi anlo modai to he thil theng manami dai to hi Asian historian ziak turau pui Plutarch Khan ziakin alauda thathiam maya aziadan an soi manga chuan van chu puakin ain thendara chumi karatang chuan mei al eng ang tak lian hi zia nain sipai patni ta in kara chuan alo langa ti in aziake anti an soile dan pakhata chuan apian chu pangpar khoina hlum bel ang hini in arong chu molten silver ani ome Ziaka chin chia ni kerlo man lai thil theng tam tak tele an kut thak te kha an makhlomin an thiam na ari hlom emema tunlaya kan hu ve theite ro chu architect lama an kut nu an in sakrau pui tak tak te hi ani ti ila kan soi sol tam om nove parukna Foo Fighters Indo pui pati na hun lai November sang khazakwa somli le palia khan America, Germany le Japan de thona sipai chuan arwalin Europe le Pacific theater te bor vela khwan em hlom mak tak tak at murwal thup mai le.
The pilots often described these objects were sort of fuzzy lights. It could be a plasma light that would come up from the ground towards the airplane, and we know that now because there have been reinvestigations of all the five.
Heta pilot te na thil mum thok at mu hi Christmas ball ang tak ni in apial ani a em thatak ni in aminga crowd fire balls le Foo Fighter an fo hial an thil mu hi America chuan in ala serious big le a ngun thuk le zwala zirchian na le soizaw na te po an nei amai ro chu ani na tak ero an soi fia thei ta big lo ani.
They were undetectable on radars and impossibly fast. They became so common that newspapers, including the New York Times, reported their existence. But there was never an explanation on what they were.
Pangana, the Finnish Air Force sighting. Flight training nei turin kumsang khazakwa somruk le pakwa khan tarmo tukeva chuan flight control lam order an moa hei hi air balloon tia an lo soi Finnish city chungzona thil thok maktak en chiang tura an tir ani. Hemituma UFO ni nge yarin hi dispian mang nei ni in tukeva a anlawin lar atanga reilotea chaktaka thokin anbo zui ngal pia maya atnu reilotea radar station lamte chuan vasa atanga KM za sampi le panga vela an khol manga an hule thu an soi Palina the USS Nimitz incident.
This is not some crazy person with their cell phone on Instagram, right? This is a $15 billion aircraft carrier with its radar systems, everything state of the art.
Kumsang hile som pasaria Pentagon UFO video leak out zinga pakhatchu the USS Nimitz incident hi ni in kumsang hile pali November tha a radar callin California tuipui shula unidentified flying object amu thu ani he thil radarin aman rual hian fighter pilot David Fravor chu en chiang tura tir ngal ani a ama ti lo mi pathum dang point he thil mak tak hi an riat pui ve he an soidat manga chuan he thil hi fit somli vela sei ni in lei atanga metal secret vela athoka ti chuan thok le khata metal sing ni vela chathathutin chaktak main athok bau mal mak mai ani he thil riat pui tu mi thiam pakhat phei chuan thil thei ani in ka hrelo khatiang taka thok chaka kha chuan ari chu pui tak tur ani ringot ati hial mai.
Did it make a sound?
No, it's completely quiet. You know, something going that fast, it's gonna sound like boom, 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 boom. It's gonna have a whole bunch of sonic boom.
Pathumna the pyramid UFO. Kumtam takkal ta khan UFO video leak out a om ta zeu maya chung zinga lar tak pakhat chu he pyramid pian nei hi ani ome. He video hi Navy personnel the USS Russell Stand kumsang ni le so pakwa loka anlak kha ani a anlak atanga reivak lova a leak out ngal ani.
Other pictures have leaked as well that show a spherical object entering the water without making a splash. And there's some pictures as well shot from an FA-18 pilot off the coast of Virginia.
He video hi atak nge ni in an soya UAP lam chuan sirchian na nei tur angin anin soibok ni ma sela fin fiana an nei thei dalo ani nge yang thu chiang ero an puang sar ta lem lo ani.
I know it's hard for people to really, wrap their head around it, but it is real. That's no longer a point of conjecture at this point. We are well beyond that. The question is, what is it and how does it?
We are now at a tipping point. It is time to let the public know what is known, no matter how big or small, what is known about the UFO presence on planet Earth.
Patita, the Roswell incident. American history a chau po nilo UFO case omto azunga chuan he case alalar ber hial ome kumsang ka zakwa somli le pasaria khan New Mexico farm pakhata thlengkhok thei che sual a om thu report ani a abiling apalangin Roswell Army Airfield 10 an sing sangat.
Right away, rumors spread that alien bodies had been found in the spacecraft.
Well, Roswell is really the ground zero of the UFO phenomenon.
Air Force lam chuan nuclear test surveillance balloon ani anti a mase ufologist chuan oilovin sarkar lamin an khu bau tum na fan ruania an ngai thum he thil san hian ti ati tam de a mithen khat alien ruang an hu ni oma in soi an oma chung alien ruang te le thlengkhok thei te chu US mun poimo tak le lu harsa tak pakhat area 51 a anda ni in an soibok.
I mean, this is part of American culture. It is something that means a lot to a lot of people, and it means very different things to millions of people.
Pakhatna, the USS Theodore Roosevelt sighting. Kumsang hile song pasaria video leak out gimbal and go fast anti mai chu US Navy jet fighter 10 USS Theodore Roosevelt ta unrecord fu ani. He video hi kumsang hile song pakwa September khan Pentagon spokesperson Teshiat Pui ani to a amai ro chu Department of Defense lamte chuan in soifia ngai na an shebig lo.
Oh my gosh, dude. Wow, look at it fly!
A om nge ya a thapo an la nge chu a fin fiana ani rin dan bak soi tur an shebig lo.